two unit vectors of particular interest are the unit vectors that are pointing the direction, the horizontal direction and the vertical direction. And we give them special names. We give them the names I and j. Now this can be a little bit confusing anytime you're working with like complex numbers, because the number I, right, the complex number I is the principal square root of -1. Well, that's not what this is. This is a vector, so you just need to be careful about context and, of course, how things are written, right? Vectors are written either bold or with the arrow over them. So the unit vector I is the vector 1, 0, and the unit vector j is the vector 0, 1. And these are so useful because they let us take any vector and write them in terms of I and j. For example, the vector, let's suppose the vector v is 3, -4. Well, then we can write v in terms of I and j by simply saying, well, in the horizontal direction it was 3, so this is 3i, and then -4 in the j direction, so -4j. And so we can take any vector and write it as what we call a linear combination of these unit vectors I and j.